Whether you are a novice or a resident trained sonographer, identifying the common bile duct can be a challenge. It can be extremely frustrating when you're first starting out, but there are some key strategies to use that will really help you on your way. The first strategy to employ is to identify the portal vein. You want to identify the portal vein because the common bile duct, along with the hepatic artery, makes up the portal triad. And by identifying the portal vein, which is the largest of these three structures, you'll be able to find the common bile duct. And identifying the portal system within the liver is easier than you think. There's two large vascular systems in the liver. One is the hepatic vein system, and the other one's the portal vein system. And luckily for us, there's a huge pressure gradient between the hepatic veins and the portal veins. The portal vein is a much higher pressure system than the hepatic veins. Therefore, the walls of the portal vein are much thicker and appear hyperechoic on ultrasound. Compare that to a hepatic vein where you can't even identify a wall. If you think you've identified the portal vein, try to trace it back close to the gallbladder and try to get it in a long axis. And then you just look anterior to the portal vein. There's going to be a tubular structure just anterior to the portal vein that's not going to have flow. That's your common bile duct. Now, something to remember is that when you're looking at the portal vein or common bile duct in the long axis, when it looks like a long tube across your screen, the gallbladder is typically going to be in a short axis. If you look at the gallbladder long ways, then typically your portal triad will be short. Viewing the portal triad in a short axis can give you that Mickey Mouse view. The Mickey Mouse view is the face is the portal vein, which is the largest portion, and then the right ear would be the hepatic artery, and the left ear would be the common bile duct. And if you were able to put flow correctly on the portal triad, you would see flow in the hepatic artery and portal vein, but not in the common bile duct. One more sign we talk about when we're trying to identify the common bile duct is the exclamation point sign. That's when you see the gallbladder in a long axis, and then you can also see the main hepatic fissure. And if you trace that down, it'll lead you right to the portal triad. One more word on color. It's a button we have in the ultrasound, and we don't always use it that often, but it's very helpful here. Put the color on and identify which of the tubular structures have flow. The one that doesn't is probably your common bile duct.